I'm going through this CT2 Max just recently done. All right, there will be words written down. Number one, 71,005 tenths. It will be good for you to express it this way and add them up. Okay, simply just put the 71, add them up. Okay, and let me see what you can do. Right, simply just put 71,000. Okay, now try to add it up vertically down, not horizontally. All right, so you can have the place value placed correctly. Okay, so you get this, add it up this way. All right, you get the answers over here. Okay, if you're finished, I'm going on to the next one immediately. All right, for the second one, all you need to do is remember that this is called the quotient. Over here is the quotient. Okay, and this is the 699 is the quotient. Ignore the remainder. Get this thing done properly. Okay, be very get very used to doing this and doing it accurately and well. Right, the answer is 699, the quotient. Now next over here, what you need to do is just remember over here it means this. Let's start with this first. Okay, I would do 232 times 6 first. Okay, I ignore 60, I put 6 first, so I get a number. Right, if 232 times 6 is 1392, then all right, if you get 232 times 60, it should be with the 0, right? The answer should be an additional 0 here. Okay, so now let's move from here. Take a look at this. We place it here, right? Over here it means 13920 is this part here. Okay, 13920 is this part here. Over here, okay, this whole thing is this. Okay, hope you understand that. Right, so what times 10 gives you 13920? What times 10? Okay, so this what over here, okay, is this is 1392 times 10 give you 13920. Right, let's carry on. How about this? How many sixes are there in 3 holes? Okay, it means there's the improper fraction over here. Okay, something divided by 6. Okay, all right, look at here, something divided by 6, it refers to this 6. All right, it says how many 6. Okay, over here is 3. What divided by 6 is 3? Answer 18. 6 gives you 3. Over here in the figure below, how many angles are more than 90? Okay, if you use your ruler, place it the corner here. This is exactly 90. This is 90. This is definitely smaller than 90, and the rest are more than 90. So the answer is 4. There are 4 of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. This is really easy. Now, first thing you need to do with this line over here, right? The answer must be more than 1. It is not from 0. It's not 0 point something to 1, but it is 1 point something to 2. Now, look at it. 10 parts, 3 parts. Okay? So 3 out of 10 is 0.3. Right? Now, look at here. 1 whole. 1 whole here plus 0.3 is 1.3. All right. What about this? Which of the following numbers has the digit 4 in the hundreds place? Okay, the hundreds place are here. Okay, this is ones. This is over here is tenths, hundredth, and thousand. Can I see here clearer? So 2 is the answer because 4 is at the hundredths place. Next. 5.3 minus something gives you 1.261. Okay, look over here. The other way of looking at it. 5.3 minus x, this something is 1.231. Therefore, that x is also 5.3 minus 1.261. Alright, the other way around. Answer should be this. It is this, right? Next. Over here, when you convert from minutes seconds, this over here 3 minutes is a lump of 360 seconds, right? 3 times 60, 3 blocks of 60 seconds. So 3 times 60 is 180 seconds. Over here, the second 40 seconds remains over here. So to convert 3 minutes and 40 seconds into seconds, 180 seconds plus 40 seconds is 220 seconds. Which of the following numbers is a multiple of 4 and also a multiple of 6? Okay, back in your mind, right? It means this: any of these 4 numbers, when you divide by 4, there is no remainder. Or any of this number, the same number, okay, these 2 number has got to be the same. Divide by 6 also, you will have no remainder, right? You have to be a bit hardworking for this. Try one by one. If, for example, the first one can't be divided by 6, you would know it's the even you start with 6. One of them you can't divide by 6 or can't divide by 4. You ignore it and go all the way. Okay, and I found out that 156 can be divided by 4 and 6. Now, it will always be good to draw simple and accurate models like this, so that you will know that your questions is here. Your question asking here is how many apples and mangoes did he sell? Okay, apples over here, mango, how many? All right, and the relationship between apples and mango is that the apples, the number of apples, not the cost, nothing to do with dollar and cents. Okay, the number of apples, okay, is 3 times 1, 2, 3. 3 units, and this 1 unit. And they say that the mango is 465. Look here, 1 U is 465. 1 U is 465. You're asked to find total. Total is 4 U's. Okay, so 4 U's is 4 times 465 is 1860 altogether. Fruits, 1860 fruits altogether. Mrs. Tan used 1/4 of the sugar. Now this is the whole, imagine this whole container of sugar or pack of sugar. Okay, and the 1 whole, whatever she has is, I could see easily 8 and 4, the common denominator, put it to 8. So starting, she used 1/4 of this whole thing, 1/4. Right, let me probably see how it should have done. It should be something like that up to here. Okay, it was used this way, right? Then later on Monday, after using 1/4, on Tuesday she used 5/8. Right, Tuesday, right over the side. Okay, sorry about that. Let me zoom out again. Okay, for Tuesday it is this side. All right, it means she has used Monday 1/4. I changed it to 8. Okay, 1/4 I changed it to 8. Okay, 1/4 I changed it to 8. And for 5/8 you leave it alone. Okay, so 8/8 minus 5/8, 8/8 minus 5/8 and 2/8. Okay, so it's actually over here. Let me scroll up. 8/8 minus 5/8 is 8/8 minus 7 over 8. It is 1/8. Answer is 1/8, which is 1. Let's carry on. For this, express 0.12 as a fraction. From now you must know very clearly, okay, how to convert fractions to decimals and decimal back to fractions. Okay, be hardworking a little. Use this, convert this fraction into decimal, and you see whether this is the same as this. So you express again, convert this back as this, and I converted this. Okay, I got 3 as the answers here. Next, again, please draw model. Right, when you have something, a comparison model is needed. When you have something like shorter than, taller than, more than, or less than, your model should be something like this. One of them bigger than the other, or one of them smaller than the other. So NG is 1.64 here. Put it here. NG is here. She is 0.2 shorter than Ray. Ray is taller by 0.2, this part. Okay, and you must note that this part is the same. 1.64, Ray is additional with 0.2 here. Okay, the answer they need now is to write the height in centimeter. So what is Ray's height? Ray's height is 1.64 plus 0.2 is 1.84 meters. Convert to cm is 184 cm. Now let's take a look at the last one. Peter wants to buy some pens. The original price of a pen is $2.75 each. Okay, it means if he bought 3 pens, okay, it will be 3 times $2.75. This is the original price. He has to pay $8.25. Right, so the pens are on sale now, lower price each at $1.95. Okay, so buying 3 pens is like this, 3 times 195. Right, the total he has to pay now, which is cheaper, is $5.85. Originally he had to pay this, but because of the discount, you get this discounted amount. The amount he has to pay is $5.85. Take the original price minus the discounted price, you should get the amount of money he has saved. Right, after buying 3 pens, he saved this amount. Right, he bought at a discounted price. Okay, hope you understand. Read through this again and look at what I've written here. Right, thank you.